Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Adalo. First, open Google Chrome and search for Adalo. Click on the first link in the search results to go to the Adalo website. On the Adalo homepage, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, password, and full name in the registration form. Now click on Let's Do This to proceed. You will be asked to select who you are building apps for. Next, choose the option that best describes your focus. After that, click on Continue. Next, choose the type of app you want to create or enter your specific app idea. This will help tailor your experience. Now click on Continue. Now select how you want to add your data to the app. You can choose from various data integration options. Now click on Continue. Choose where you want your users to view the app, such as on mobile devices or the web, and here click on Continue. You will now be logged into your Adalo account. To start building your app, click on the plus icon in the top left corner. This will open a menu with various options for app creation. In the left panel, you will find several editing tools, including options for branding colors. Check the screen section to explore more options for designing your app's interface. Review the database collections to manage and organize your app's data. Explore settings to configure your app's functionality and preferences. Finally, check the More Things for additional features and options available in Adalo. By following these steps, you can effectively use Adalo to design and develop your app, leveraging its tools and features to create a customized experience. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.